Pagod ka na ba sa ingay at gulo ng Manila? Kung everyday, feel mo na parang rush hour at wala ng time para magpahinga? Then, this video is for you. Audrina Model sa Broxton Park, isang gated community na secured at malayo sa ingay ng city life. The location, nasa Cavite lang, pero with no traffic. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-agawan sa mga bus o MRT at makakauwi ka ng mabilis. This house is designed for convenience and style. 2 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath, na perfect para sa family na gusto ng modern at functional life. Plus, may amenities kagaya ng swimming pool, basketball courts, parks and playgrounds, jogging paths, ready na for bonding and relaxation. Interested ka ba sa Audrina Model? Tara, silipin natin to. Kung nagustuhan mo ang property na to, you can send us a message on our Facebook account, Viber, and WhatsApp. Once again, this is JC Ryan, your real estate agent from Rise and Shine. Bye!